Hello guys, welcome back to my cooking channel Husna's Kitchen. Today I came up with a new recipe how to make chicken pilau using Laltia Swahili spices. I'll put the link in the description box so that you can follow us on our Instagram pages and get our contact. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the post notification so that you don't miss any of my videos. On today's ingredients, you'll need 1 tablespoon of garam masala, a half tablespoon of curry powder, a half tablespoon of turmeric powder, a half tablespoon of paprika powder, cumin seeds, and chicken masala. You also need uncooked potatoes. Also need onions chopped into small pieces, salt to taste, ginger and garlic blended together, 3 cups of rice, and 1 kilogram of chicken. Now let's prepare our chicken pilau. In your cooking pan, place some cooking oil, then followed by onions chopped into small pieces. Cook them until your onions turn in a golden brown color. Then followed by ginger and garlic blended together and mix everything well together. Then you'll also add some cumin seeds, and then you're going to add 1 kilogram of chicken and mix everything well together. After you have mixed everything well together, now put the remaining spices in the sufuria. Then you can mix everything well together. After that, you're going to add 4 cups of water, since I have added 3 cups of rice. Then followed by salt to taste. After that, you're going to add uncooked potatoes in your cooking pan. Then after you have added uncooked potatoes, you're going to add soaked rice in the cooking pan. After that, you're going to stir and mix everything well together. Then I'm going to stir my pilau, and I'm going to cover it and let it cook in about 1 hour by placing the charcoal at the bottom. And my pilau is ready. You can serve it with kachumbari and some chili. If you want to get our Laltia Swahili spices, I put the link in the description box so that you can follow us on our Instagram page. I will also put our contacts in the description box so that you can inbox us in WhatsApp, and you can grab your spices at an affordable price. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it. Please like my video, subscribe and share, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos every week. And bye guys.